The negative sign Lenz's law, a corollary of Faraday, Faraday's law, indicates that the induced EMF creates a current whose magnetic field opposes the change in flux that produces it, ensuring conservation of energy. This law forms the basis for the operation of generators, transport motors, and most modern electrical devices. Magnif- Magnetic flux in Philippines is a measure of the total magnetic field passing through a surface defined as etc. Where B is the magnetic field strength, is the area of the surface, and is the angle between the magnetic field direction and the normal to the surface. Induced EMF can be created by changing any of these variable varying the magnetic field strength. Moving a magnet near a coil, changing the area of the coil in the field, expanding or extracting the coil, or rotating the coil to change the angle, the rotor and generator. For example, rotating a coil in a consistent magnetic field causes continuous change in theta, producing alternating current, the principle behind most power plant generators. Lenz's law, which complements Faraday's law, is critical to understanding the behavior of induced currents. It states that the direction of induced current is always such that it opposes the change in magnetic flux that caused. This can be visualized using the right hand rule. If a magnet is moved toward the coil, the induced current creates a magnetic field that pushes the magnet away. If the magnet is moved away, the induced field pulls it. This opposition ensures that energy is not created or destroyed. Mechanical energy is required to move the magnet against the induced field, which is convert to electrical energy in the coil. Lenz's law is also explain phenomena like ED currents, circulating current induced in conductive materials by changing magnetic field, which are used in application like metal detectors or braking system, but can cause energy losses in transformers and motors.